Hello, Andrew here. Today I've got a review on the iAudi Popsicle White case for the iPhone 5, and I'd like to thank the company iAudi for sending this case out for a review. At first glance, this case looks outstandingly different from all the other cases out there, in a good way actually. The form factor makes it feel a little more like the Samsung Galaxy S3. Putting the case on and taking it off is cake. All you have to do is put it on the top first to keep your buttons safe, and then snap the bottom half in, and voila. The power and volume buttons are extremely easy to press in this case. However, the volume up button does require some extra force, which can be annoying if you use that button a lot. If you have a screen protector on your screen or even a full body, your phone will still fit in the case without a problem, as I have the Ghost Armor full body kit on my white iPhone 5 and it fits just fine. The iAudi Popsicle case is very durable and can take a beating. Even though it doesn't look like it's capable of saving your phone from some drops, it has saved my iPhone from at least 7 accidental drops, and nothing has showed up broken on my iPhone 5 yet. One thing to mention though is that the back side is prone to scratches, so if you have OCD and can't handle seeing scratches, this may not be the case for you because it's going to happen. The ports are easily accessible for Apple Lightning charger and headphones, but third-party accessories may not fit as well. I have my AJ's 2 headphones here, and the right-angled headphone jack will not fit in right, meaning it will fit in, but only in this angle shown. So if your headphones are like mine, you may not like this case. This case comes in 6 unique colors for a price of $29.95 US. Something I've noticed about listening to music on my iPhone speakers in this case is that it amplifies the sound to make it sound a little louder than without the case, so that means you can hear your ringtones better when you're in a noisy area, which is a plus. I really love this case. I have been using it for about a month now. It has survived drops on a Navy ship where people break their phone screens daily, so I highly recommend this case if you can overlook the flaws I have mentioned earlier in the video. I'm going to give this case a 7 out of 10 stars. Go ahead and give this case a look. I dare you.